guys, how are you guys doing? So today I'm going to review a pen liner, like a pen sketch liner by Blue Heaven. So this is how it looks like. I have been avoiding this pen liner for so long, and then when I saw a few videos on YouTube about this pen liner, I was like, I'll have to get it for myself. So if you want to know what I think about this pen liner by Blue Heaven, then let's get started with the video. And foremost, I want to talk about the price of this pen liner. Generally pen liners are very expensive, like 400, 300, but this one is for like the price is 205, but I got it for 170. The stores and online sites offer discounts on Blue Heaven. Blue Heaven is an Indian brand, so such a good product from Blue Heaven really makes me proud. So this is how the pen liner looks like. It's like very thin, and I got from a local store. You can also get it on Nykaa, I believe, as well as you can try out a local store because Blue Heaven is an Indian brand and it's available everywhere. So this is how it looks like. It's very thin, okay, it's very thin. And let me talk a little bit about this eyeliner before showing you guys everything. I actually did my wing today with this liner. Like, this is so good, and I was wearing this the other day and I was out for shopping with my best friend, and throughout the day, guys, I was like moving from one place to another, this place, that place and everything, and it was like so hot that day. Like in Kolkata, summers are really hot, so I was like sweating and everything, but this pen liner did not move. Like the way I had drawn my wing, I saw the exact shape after 6 hours. Nothing faded, nothing got smudged. So like, this is actually good because I got for 170 rupees, and generally you cannot expect so much from a 170 rupees product. And the tip looks like it is like very fine and very thin, like very easy to do any sort of liner. And pen liners are great for everyday use as well as for drawing wings and everything. I'll show you guys how matte and how black it is. Like, do you see that? And this is actually very nice, very easy to use. Very nice, very easy to use, like glides on very smoothly, like it won't be patchy or anything when you're using this liner. And this is actually waterproof, smudge proof, and I really like it, guys. Like, this is not a paid review, by the way, but I really like it, and I think I found my daily liner. I'm not going to spend like 300 or 400 to get that perfect pen liner, because for 170 rupees if I'm getting this, then I think that's a really good deal. So yeah, I think that's all for my review. And as I said, it's waterproof, water resistant, same time, like it did not move, like it was smudge proof throughout the day. Like, it is actually smudge proof, and that really impressed me because I sweat a lot, and especially in this heat, like I'm sweating, like I think you can see right now. So this will not move. It's a great budget product to keep in your vanity. And yes, it's matte, it's black, and I absolutely love it, and I absolutely recommend this. Packaging wise, it is very easy to carry and it is very lightweight. And yes, that's all for my review. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as well as hit that like button and comment below your video requests or your thoughts, and I love to read that and I'll definitely reply as well. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next video. Till take care, I love you all, bye bye.